Again, now we're going to do right down the hill on Higgins Point. There's me. Hi. I'm on my recumbent bicycle. So, alright, here we go. Woo. See if I can do this. Whoops. There we go. I'm not going to really put my feet on the pedals because I'm going to stop down below. But I thought you guys would have fun seeing Higgins Point. Really fun. This point again is right by the highway. There's Cream. I see right down here. Come down here, Cream. I'm gonna go down here. Really pretty here. There's a highway. Turn here and there's a nice little overlook here with the little thingies, and you can see the other side of Tubbs Hill with the boats, and there's a little statue there, photographer. A lot of history around here, and there it is, Lake Coeur. Alright, more later.